it feels good to have you guys back on our WordPress mastery tutorial. So in this phase, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload and install your plugins to your WordPress theme. Alright, remember that your plugin is an additional information or additional functionality you want to add to your website. You want to add some security, some more security layer or some forms to your website. We have plugins for that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install WP Form. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress. So you need to log into your cPanel, and I'm logged into mine already. So when you purchase your cPanel, when you purchase your hosting, sorry about that, when you purchase your hosting and your domain name, a login will be sent to your email, so you can use that login to actually access your cPanel. So this is my cPanel. So I'm just going to drift straight to my file manager. This is my file manager. So I'll click on it and wait for it to load up. Alright, so let's navigate to where we're going to be installing our plugins. Alright, so this is it. So if you just purchase a domain and hosting, you'll be seeing all of this. The reason why I'm seeing all of this because I've hosted a project on it. This cPanel is having a whole lot of projects, so you'll be seeing all of this. But if you just purchase your host and your hosting and your domain name, only what you'll be seeing is this public_FTP and public_HTML. So this public_HTML, that's where you'll be uploading your WordPress, or that's where you'll be installing your WordPress at. So I'm just going to click it. Alright, so I'm just going to click to this. Then I'll click on WP content. So when I click on WP content, you'll see plugin here. I'll now click on plugin. So you can see these are the plugins that have been installed on this page. These are all the plugins. So what I will do, I'll come to upload. So now I've come to upload. I will now click on select. So wait for it to load up. Good. So I'll come to download. Let me go to my download. So this is the plugin I want to use, WP Forms. Excuse me, sorry about that. So you just have to wait for it to get to 100. When you get to 100, you have to wait for it to shine green. Now it's blue, you wait for it to turn to green. Patience is one of the virtues of a programmer or a web designer. So you have to wait for it to turn green. Boom, here it is. So we click on go back. So we'll now look for our file we have uploaded. So this is our file. So what we can do, you tap on it, then you extract plugins. Okay, so let's reload. So our plugins has been installed. So this is it. WP, no, let's look for WP Form. Alright, so I think I saw it here. Where is it? Okay, here's the WP Form. Alright, so this is the WP Form. So what we're gonna do next, let's log in to our back end. So let's wait for it to load up. So let's give it a little time for it to load up. So once it takes us to our back end, what we're going to do, we're going to activate that WP Form. So now, after you might have extracted your file from your cPanel, then you can come over to your admin end. So how you can log into your admin is you put in the name of your URL. For example, I have chrisogonus.com/WP WP admin, WP hyphen admin. This is how you log into your backend to WordPress. So this news here is because I actually created it on a folder because I have a file here. Let me show you. Let me show you the file. This chrisogonus.com.ng. Let me show you the file. This is a kind of is a portfolio. So you can see this is the reason why I can't use this one direct, because this is already a file. This is my portfolio actually. This is my portfolio. Yeah, this is my portfolio. This is not WordPress actually. I did this with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Alright, so let us go back. So this is how you can log into your back end. You put in, for now, for you will not be needing this, because you'll be installing your WordPress straight to your domain or straight to your hosting account or your cPanel. Now we have logged into our admin end, so let us navigate to plugins. Let's navigate to plugins. Here we are. This is plugins. Remember in themes we came to appearance. Now this is plugin. We're going to go to plugins. We'll go to install plugin. So wait for it to load up. So what we have to do here, we have to install the plugins. Remember, we have uploaded the plugins, we have extracted the plugins. Now what we want to do is to do what? Install, to activate the plugin. So you scroll down. Yeah, so let's look for okay, so we can find the plugin here. WP. What happened? Why can't we find our plugin? So go back to our cPanel. So this is our plugin. This is where we actually uploaded the plugin. WP forms. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll select all. We'll move. So move it directly. We reload. Then we reload this. So if you upload your plugin, you do not see your plugin, that's how you're gonna do what? To rectify it. Alright, so you can come and boom, here is our form. So what you do, you click here to activate, or you can click here to delete it, or you activate it. So what we're gonna do is to what? Activate it. So click on activate, and this is how you can do what? Add or install plugins to your to your WordPress. So you can see it's still loading up. So we're trying to make this video very brief, or this tutorial very brief. So always check your plugins. Whenever your plugin says update, please do where to update. Alright, so before we end in this video, I want to show you what we're going to be doing in the next module. In the next module, we're going to be creating this website. We're going to be creating this news website. Let's wait for it to load up. So sorry, my network is kind of bad. So you can see my network is kind of bad. Okay, our themes are plugin has been activated successfully. It has been updated successfully. As you can see, here is the plugin. So here is the plugin. Alright, so this is it. Now in our next video, we're going to be looking at how to create such beautiful websites. This elegant, let's wait for it to load up. Alright, so you can see our website has loaded up. So this is the sites we're going to be building in our next model. So previously I've taught you guys how to upload your themes, how to install your themes, how to upload plugins, how to install WordPress, how to purchase a domain and hosting, and all of that. So next I'm going to be teaching you customization and how to build a beautiful website like this, with all these, have this, have all this, and all of that. Then after this, we're going to be building, this is another site we're going to do also. So we have gonna build something like this also. Let's wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. So sorry, my network is kind of bad, but so sorry about that. So let's give it a little time for it to load up. So we're going to be building 3 or 4 types or different types of websites to guide us, to see us through, and to enable us get our hands up. All right, so network is bad. Oh gosh, what is wrong? Where is all my network? Why is my network messing me up? Oh, good Jesus. Why is this network messing me up? Okay, I think it has loaded up now. Oh, still. Oh. What could be the problem? Why has it not loaded up? Why is it not loaded up? Loaded up. Why is it not loaded up? Whew. So let's try again. So first of all, this is the website we're going to be building. Then we can go next to when we'll be building this, I'll also introduce you to this other one. All right, so bye for now. Okay, yes, it has loaded up. Yes, it has loaded up. So well, so we're going to be learning how to build these beautiful websites. So wait for it to load up a bit. Load up a bit. Wait. Oh, so sorry, my network is bad. My network is kind of poor, but okay, this is fine. So we're going to be learning how to build such beautiful websites, movie streaming websites with WordPress. So if you want to write this code from beginning, it's going to take a whole year. I'm being serious. It's going to take a whole year. But with this, in less than 45 minutes, we'll be done building these beautiful websites where users can come and stream movies. This is how to train, how to tame a dragon, The Lion King, all kind of movies. All kind of streaming movies. We have Game of Thrones, The Light of Upstairs, Adventure. We have so many of them. Alright, so this is what we're going to be learning. You still have your live TV and all of that. So after we build our blog websites, we're going to build this, then we can build an e-commerce website just like Jumia. Alright, so see you on the next slide. Bye.